In this video, we will learn how to create a quiz on PowerPoint. There are 4 options. Out of them, 3 are wrong and 1 is correct. If we click on wrong option, we reach to the slide on which a message is written wrong answer. If we click on try again, we reach again to that question. If we click on correct option, we reach to the slide on which correct answer is written. And if we click on previous question, we again reach to the question. If we click on next question, we reach to the next question. So how it is created, we see. We have already typed the questions on this slide, and we select the first option, right click on that, go to hyperlink and select the slide on which wrong answer is written. Similarly, we do for all the 3 wrong answers. If we click on correct option, and then we have to select the slide on which correct answer is written. And on next question, we select the slide on which the next question is written. On correct answer slide, there are 2 hyperlinks. One is previous, so we select the first question, and on next question we select the second question. On wrong answer sheet, a try again is written. On that we select the first question. So it's done. Let's check. If we click on wrong option, then we reach to the slide on which wrong answer is written. If we click on try again, we reach to the first question again. If we click on correct option, then we reach to the slide on which correct answer is written. If we click on previous question, we again reach to the first question. If we click on next question, we reach to the second question. So in this way, you can create your own quiz on PowerPoint. You can subscribe to watch similar videos.